Namaste. Today we will do 5 best posture for meditation and pranayama. Starting with Vajrasana, spread your legs out. Bend one leg at a time to sit onto your feet. Hands either on the knees or in front. Closed eyes, that is Vajrasana, perfect for performing meditation or pranayama. Next posture, Padmasana. Spread your legs. Bend your right knee onto the left thigh, left foot onto the right thigh. Hands on the knees in Chin Mudra or Gyan Mudra, eyes closed. That makes your spine completely upright and straight. Next posture, Siddhasana. Spread your legs out. Bring your right ankle, close your anus. Your left foot onto the right foot. Heel towards the sky. Next asana, Siddha Yoniasana. Close your anus with your right heel and left heel closes your vagina gently. This is for women. Close your eyes and sit straight. And next we will do Sukhasana. For that you simply cross your legs and drop them down with your closed eyes. Can be done by anybody. So these are the best 5 yoga posture that you can perform during your meditation or pranayama. Namaskar.